How to use TuyaClaw. Work scenario, office automation. Let's be real. Office work is full of repetitive tasks, sorting files, filling in forms, copying and pasting data. They're simple but take up so much of your time. With TuyaClaw, office automation is super easy. No complicated setup, no professional skills needed. Just tell it what you need and it does the rest. Want to sort files by date? Autofill form data? TuyaClaw handles it all in one click. It frees you from tedious, repetitive work, so you can focus on more important things. See, it's that easy. TuyaClaw makes office automation accessible for everyone, saving you time and hassle every workday.